Good day, everyone. This is me, Teacher Charmina Saleda, your computer teacher. Our topic for today is all about the different steps in navigating files and folders inside your computer. The first step for us is to create a new folder inside your document area. The first step for you to be able to create a new folder is make sure that you are pointing your mouse cursor on an empty space of your screen. After pointing your mouse cursor on an empty space, select the right button of your mouse. After selecting the right button of your mouse, you can see a pop-up menu. You are going to choose New on that pop-up menu, and after selecting New, another pop-up menu will appear on your screen. And then you are going to select Folder. After selecting folder, as you can see now, we have now created our new folder. Okay? Now, you can now rename or put your own specific name for the folder that you have created. First, you need to delete the new folder name and type your own name for the folder. For an example, I'm going to type Mahonrai. After typing the new name of the folder, you are just going to select the enter key on your keyboard for you to be able to save the name of the folder. As you can see now, the name of the folder is already saved on our list of documents or files. The next thing that we are going to do is to move a file inside the folder that we have created. As you can see, if we are going to open the folder, it is an empty folder. If you want to move a file inside the folder, there are two different steps. For an example, I'm going to move this file, this computer ethics PowerPoint presentation inside my folder. All you need to do is, you need to select the folder or the file that you want to move inside the folder that you have created. After selecting the file, select the right button of your mouse. After selecting the right button of the mouse, a pop-up menu will appear on your screen. And then you are just going to select Copy. After selecting Copy, you can now proceed to the folder that you have created and open it. After opening, as you can see, it is empty. Now we are going to move the file that we have copied on the list of documents. Okay, for you to be able to move or copy that file, you need to select the right button of your mouse. A pop-up menu will appear again, and then select Paste. After selecting Paste, the file will be moved inside the folder that you have created. As you can see now, the copy of the file that we have copied before is now moved inside our folder. I'm going to discuss again to you the second step on how to move or copy a file inside a folder. Okay? The second way for you to be able to move a file inside your folder is you need to select another file that you want to move inside the folder that you have created. For an example, we are going to move this file, which is the Discover the Windows 10 desktop, inside the folder that we have created. Let's select this file first. Make sure that the file is selected by highlighting the file. Okay, using your mouse again, using the left button of your mouse, you need to select it. Select it using the left button of your mouse and drag it. Drag the file inside the folder that you have created. Make sure that the file or the folder is highlighted, okay? The file is highlighted on the folder of its destination, okay? After that, we can now open again the folder, and as you can see now, the file is moved inside the folder that we have created. Those are the two different steps on how to copy and to move a file inside a folder. The next step that we are going to do is to delete a file inside the folder. Okay? If you want to delete a file inside your folder, all you need to do is select the file that you want to delete. After selecting the file, you are going to select the right button of your mouse. After selecting the right button of your mouse, a pop-up menu will appear on your screen and you are going to choose delete. Okay, as you can see now, the file is deleted inside your folder. But if you want to restore the file inside your folder, you can restore it using the recycle bin of your computer. These are the steps on how to restore a file inside your recycle bin. The first step for you to restore a file is to open the recycle bin icon. After opening the recycle bin option or icon, you can see here the list of different files that you have deleted or previously deleted in your computer. Okay? You are just going to find the file that you want to restore. The file that we want to restore is this one, the Discover the Windows 10 desktop. Okay? The first step for you to be able to restore it from the recycle bin is you need to select the file that you want to restore. After selecting the file, select the right button of your mouse. After selecting the right button of your mouse, a pop-up menu will appear again on your screen and select Restore. After selecting Restore, you can see now that the file is already gone inside your recycle bin. You can only see it on the document area that the file is originally saved. Okay, let's find it. Okay, as you can see here, the file that we have deleted a while ago is already back or restored here inside the folder that we have created. Those are the different steps in restoring the file using the recycle bin of your computer. Now, the last step for us is to rename the folder that we have created. For an example, you are going to rename your folder. You want to put your own full name as the file or as a folder name. Okay? All you need to do is to select the folder that you are going to rename. After selecting the folder, select the right button of your mouse. And then a pop-up menu again will appear on your screen. You're just going to select Rename and you can now start to rename the folder. Okay, you can now type your full name or your first name as the name of the folder that you have created. Okay, you're just going to select enter in your keyboard. Okay, select enter in your keyboard to save the name of the folder. Okay, as you can see now, we have renamed the folder that we have created a while ago. These are the different steps on how to navigate your files and folders inside your computer. Once again, this is Teacher Charmaine Nazaleda, your computer teacher. Goodbye and God bless.